Here is part 4 of paper 22, February, March 2022. So this question, the jacket is X, and since the shirt costs 24 less than jacket, so that's X minus 24, and since the hat costs 16 less than the jacket, that will be X minus 16. So when you add all of these up together, it would equal to 100 because Mrs. Coley spent exactly $100. So I'm getting 4x equals to 100 plus 16 plus 48, which is 164, and I'm going to divide that by 4, giving me 41. Moving on to question 19. Y is proportional to 1 over square root of x plus 4. So y equals to k, 1 over square root of x plus 4. Now I'm just substituting x equals to 5 and y equals to 2 to find my value of k, which is 6. So when x is equal to 77, my y equals to 6 multiply with 1 over 77 plus 4. And that would give me 2 over 3. Next question is a simultaneous equation. So I'm going to make y the subject, and then I'm going to substitute equation 3 into equation 2. Now I'm just simplifying it, and it's gonna give me a quadratic equation. So x minus 4 and x plus 10 are my answers. So now I'm just checking in the calculator to see if my answers are correct. When x is 4, y equals to 11 minus 3 multiplied with 4, and when x is negative 10, y equals to 11 minus 3 multiplied with negative 10. That would give me negative 1 and 41. Then I'm just going to write my answers over here. Alright, next question. We need to find this angle. So AC is just 9 square plus with 18.6 square root, which is Pythagoras. That's giving me 20.663104. To find theta, that would be shift tangent 14.5 divided by 20.663104. And my answer is 35.05, which gives us 35.1 degree. Part B, AG is 20.663104 square plus width 14.5 square. And that is 25.243. So 30 minus 25.243 is 4.757, which is 4.8 when you round it to one decimal place. Moving on to the last question. RQ is basically 3 over 5 OP. So when we break it down, it is OQ minus OR, giving us 3 over 5 OP. Right. Since the question asks for PQ is just OQ minus OP. So OQ is 3 over 5 OP plus with OR. Now that leads to 3 over 5B plus with A. Hence PQ is 3 over 5B plus A minus B. 3 over 5 minus 1 is negative 2 over 5, so our final answer is A minus 2 over 5B. Now moving on to part B. So this is W, and the position vector of W would just be 5 over 2 OR, which is 5 over 2A. So our final answer is 5 over 2A. And with that, we're done with paper 22, February-March 2022.